Hey, what's up, family? Just a quick video to show you. Got the Troy built 3100 psi here, just to show you how well it actually really does remove paint. And as you can see, this is a basketball court I installed for my daughters many years ago. They're older now, so we no longer use that. But we're gonna strip this down, and we're gonna make it more appealing and more to the liking of something me and my wife like. But with that said, I'm going to start this, and I'm going to show you. I've already started this, but I'm going to show you just how well this thing works. So here we go.
Okay. Just about to turn it on.
And get.
Oh. Okay. Here we go.
Go. And as you can see, I actually have to do this whole backyard. It's gonna take me a while, but just to show you how well this thing does. I did this all so far.